Hi everybody, my name is Eric. I organized a race at Truck Rodeo in Notre-Dame-du-Nord, Quebec, in French, Le Rodeo du Camion. That event is being held for the last 40 years, and basically what it is a tractor pull, semi-pull. There's two types of racing. We have bobtail and we have loaded. We have almost 80 trucks that are there for the weekend for the competition, and we have almost 300 races, and that we have 150 races that loaded. I've met BOA Winch at our event a couple of years back. BOA Winch supplied us a couple of winch and straps, and on two trailers we put all their products. So as you can see on the TV, I don't know if you see it, but we pull 64,000 kilos. So and they're being beaten a lot. So what I'm saying is that by the end of Sunday night, probably 150 races were done with those trailers. And one of my friends asked me, Eric, come here, I need to show you something. Two trailers that had the BOA winch, the wood, the load that didn't move an inch. And on top of it, the other trailer, well, it was pretty easy to see that the load backed up for, I would say, 6 to 8 inches on each trailer. The only load that didn't move is the loaded that had the BOA winch on it, and on top of it, we didn't have that lever here to tighten the winch, so we only did it Saturday morning, and nobody touched them until Sunday night, and trust me, it didn't move an inch. We were really impressed with that product. I saw Yannick here today, and I told him about how much impressed we were at the rodeo of that quality of products. Trust me, man. I mean, it's never seen. I wasn't aware. I didn't know that company before, but seeing it is believe it.